might need to take some swim lessons too, because I don't know if that's a dismount. Looks like the dismount is giving. You kind of need to know a little bit about what you're doing. Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! Ooh, now that's the part. Oh Lord! Ooh, the sand is a little hot today. It's beautiful. Let's get out to this ocean as quickly as possible. Jeez, feet are getting a nice little baking. Happy Sunday and good morning. Y'all see my favorite place, or was my favorite place. They've replaced all the staff. Way is not here. Lily's not here. Tron is not here. All my people that made this place so great. So they have another crew coming in at 12 noon, so maybe then I'll get to see the babies. If not, I gotta find me another little place. I'll reach out to Lily and see where she and Way are, because they were my favorite. Look at that. Here come the waves. The water is nice and cool. Lady Buddha's back there behind me. I don't know if y'all can see her. It looks extremely tiny from here. Not really sure how to zoom in. I don't know how to really maximize this Apple use, but I'm sure they'll show me now that I've said it out loud and on the phone. I'm sure my Instagram will, or my Facebook, somebody is going to show me how to do it. But it's beautiful out here. Y'all look at this. Gorgeous. Ooh, the water's nice and crispy. Ooh. Nice and cool. Came up to meet me. Hello, ocean. Hello.